Hello beautiful people, it's me your girl Priscilla, and in today's video I am going to be telling you guys ways that you can use to make money via Amazon in South Africa. Okay, now you guys, when I'm speaking in terms of money, I'm speaking of actual money that you can withdraw from your Amazon account to your South African bank account. So you guys, in today's video I am going to be sharing 3 ways that you can use to make money on Amazon. Okay, so if you don't like the first way, just keep watching because you may like the second or the third way. So I advise you guys to watch this video all the way up until the end, okay? Because you may just be leaving something for you if you abandon the video halfway. So the first way that you can use to make money on the Amazon app in South Africa is by selling on Amazon, okay? Now, believe it or not, beautiful people, Amazon actually allows people to sell on their platform, okay? Obviously, you guys, you have to meet certain requirements before Amazon actually allows you to sell on their platform, but they do allow people to sell on their platform. They also charge a certain amount of money for allowing you to use their platform to sell your products. However, it's definitely something that is worth looking into if you are into selling products online. The second way that you can use to make money on Amazon is by joining their affiliate program, okay? So Amazon will go ahead and give you an amount of money, right? A commission for every product that you market and have people buy, okay? So under this program, Amazon will give you a link that is synonymous with you, right? That traces back to you, that you can be pushing online, right? And if someone literally buys products using your link, then you will receive a commission. So the third way of making money via Amazon, you guys, is via Kindle. Okay, now we all know that Amazon works with Kindle, and if you are passionate about writing, if you're into writing books, you can literally just sign up on Kindle and have and write your heart out, and have Kindle just publish and sell your books on your behalf, and Amazon will give you royalties. So that's it, you guys. These are the 3 ways of making money on Amazon. 3 legit ways of making money on Amazon, which you can actually make use of and have funds literally deposited into your South African bank account. So that's it for today's video, beautiful people. Feel free to ask me any questions that you may be having in the comment section. I'll be seeing you guys in another one. And remember, take care of yourselves, remain hopeful, and be good to one another. Up until I see you guys in another one, you are loved. Bye bye.